There's a few ways. Number one, you could use something like Instagram and you can post out Instagram content, which is what I've started to do because I haven't used my Instagram in a while. And you can put a link to your group inside your Instagram bio, okay? Another one, for example, is you can use TikTok. Now let's take this TikTok, for example, Canva text hack. So actually, no, that's not a good one because it's from Canva itself. Let's go here. Okay. Let me just find this guy's account. So this guy here does Canva tutorials. So it would make sense for him to make a group on how to do Canva tutorials. He could go ahead and he could put his link in here on his Canva tutorial TikTok. Now, another way is you can go ahead and go to Fiverr. And if you don't want to do the content yourself, and you can buy shorts for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and things like that. You can get 50 videos for $5. And if you actually go down, they actually have niches that you can choose. So you choose a specific niche. So for example, you might go ahead and make a group on school.com about home decorations, and then you can get 50 home decoration videos done for $5. And you can go ahead and you can post them inside on your social media accounts. So that's how you can go ahead and make money that way. Get traffic that way as well. So there you go, guys. That's how you can go ahead and start your own private group to make money. If you actually go to Discover Communities here, you can see that people are actually making money. This is real. People are making money in their groups. You can see how many members they have and how much they're making. 1,000 members here, $199 per month. If we go to the next page, we have more stuff here. AI Guy Academy, 300 members, $50 per month. These guys are making bank with this method. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, just quickly before I end this video, I just want to show you my group in case you're interested in joining. We do weekly campfire chats. We have another one coming in 3 days. We have sections on different types of specific niches as well, like affiliate marketing, YouTube, dropshipping, coaching. We have a classroom where we have lots of content that you can go actually through and have a look at, and I am putting some more content in today. But generally, this is the group that we have right now, and it's quite active over the last few days, but it is new, so we are adding content every single day. You can join this for free. There's a link below in the description.